Hello and welcome to this little tutorial about Desmos's geometry calculator. I'm going to give you guys an extra credit opportunity, and I want you to make a Halloween themed picture using these tools over here. Now the thing is, you've never done anything like this before. So I just want to make a quick tutorial so you can kind of see how it works. So if you click the circle button, oops, let's try clicking the circle there. Here we go. All right, click the circle button, you make a circle. All right. If you want to change it, if you want to move it, you have to then click the select button and then you can move it around, stuff like that. You can make it bigger like this. And so that is a circle. Now, if you want to do like kind of a catch all, you can do stuff like that. And from here, take a look at some of the options that we have. You can change the color of the outside of the object. You can hide the object if you want, or you can also delete the object. Now, you might be thinking, I want to have something that's colored in. Well, this polygon, which is a fancy word for shape, tool is probably the best that you have. So click that. And what happens is, whatever points you click in, whatever order you click in, it will form a shape. Now, let's say I wanted to finish right there. I go back to the original one, and there, it's filled in my shape. I can go back to the select tool, and I can select it and then I can change it. So maybe I want to go orange, I want to go black, I want to go purple, I want to go green. And then notice though, I'd have to do the same thing for the line. So select the line, then I can change its color. Now these points, man, these look annoying and may not be one, I don't want them in my final picture. So what I can do is click that and then I can click hide. The point is still there, you just can't see it anymore. And so it would help your picture look a little bit nicer. Something else you might appreciate doing is maybe making an arc. So you click at a point, click here, and then click a third spot, and now you have an arc, a curved line. Some other things you might find handy: segment. If you choose line, here's what's going to happen. You'll have an infinite line, so you may not want that. For a segment, though, if you just want to kind of connect two dots, you can do like that. And again, you select it. You can do all kinds of things with it. So select. There you go. We can label it. You can change the colors. You can hide points. You can even hide the line if you truly wanted to. So there's a lot of cool things you can do with this tool. I'm just going to leave it open-ended. I'm going to let you play around with it, and I want you to make something Halloween themed. So you can make a pumpkin, a jack-o'-lantern, a haunted house, a witch's hat, something Halloweeny. That's all you have to do. And if you make something really, really cool, I'll give you lots of free points for it. So best of luck. Hope you have fun with it.